everyone, welcome to another Power Talk with Archana. I'm back with Surya Prakash Mohapatra and he will be discussing with us everything you would want to know about the L&D scenario in the corporates today. Hello Surya, how are you doing today?
Hey Archana, I'm doing great. Thank you so much.
Great, good to be back with you and sharing the screen with you. So, Surya, considering the kind of changes the entire world is going through, the L&D going through, the corporates going through, we would want to know how would L&D be more effective in a hybrid working environment today?
Well, a hybrid working environment is very complex environment where you have some people working from home, some people working from office, some people working from wherever. And then you have a blend of multiple generations. There are cultural nuances, there are geographical nuances, there are gender and other diverse, workforce that you have at the workplace. Now, the question is, how do you really become effective in an environment like this, which is complex, which is a blend of different traits, and so on? I think the secret sauce would be flexibility, adaptability, and agility. Yeah. The learning function has to become flexible, adaptable, and agile.
Yeah.
The learning, design, and development and deployment strategies need to be very flexible, very adaptable, very agile. You need to have something for everyone. You may have experienced people who already know the subject, and you will have to leverage them as subject matter experts. Then you may have newcomers who may have to know the subject in depth, and then you may really have to have a very elaborate learning path for them. You have millennials who would like to learn very differently through gamification, sure, through fun, engagement, etc. And then you have the Gen X and Gen X who are possibly very serious learners. So in a hybrid environment like this, flexibility is important. Being flexible, trying to have something for everybody, trying to have different strategies and not being rigid about your deployment strategy is very important. Adaptability is important because you need to adapt to different situations, business requirements, audiences, and so on. And finally, agility, the ability to churn out and roll out, deploy learning solutions at great speed is extremely important. So these are the three key enablers for L&D to become effective in an environment, in a working environment which is hybrid and which is complex. So I think a few tips that I would like to share. One is personalization of learning. It's very important that you allow your people to pick and choose what they want to learn. It's like when you walk into a subway or a restaurant, and then they would give you the entire spread. They will say, you choose your sandwich.
True.
You choose your bread, you choose your sauce, you choose your stuffing, and make your sandwich. True. So similarly, L&D function needs to create such an environment where people can create their own learning path. Basis their career aspirations, basis what they want to do, basis where their role is going in future, they should be able to create their own learning path. Of course, L&D should be the enabler, facilitator. Some people might need help, some people may not really know how to draw their career path. They might need career counseling, coaching, etc. So L&D will have to facilitate that. So personalization of learning is very effective in a hybrid, complex working environment. Learning in the flow of work is another important strategy. So it's difficult to take people out of the work and then take them into a classroom. And how will you take them into classroom when the audience is global? They're spread across different countries, locations, different time zones. So the traditional classroom methods are not really going to work in future to a great extent. I'm not saying it will completely go away, but we really have to see how we become more innovative. So learning in the flow of work, letting people learn while they're working at their workplace is important. Micro learning, a bite-sized learning is going to be very effective in a hybrid complex environment. People will choose and pick up bite-sized learning modules, especially in today's world when the attention span is very short. Some researchers are saying it's less than 7 minutes. I think bite-sized learning modules are very effective. So I think the bottom line is to have something for everyone, and have a strategy which is very agile and then be adaptable to a changing environment. Those key factors, levers, will really make L&D effective in a hybrid environment.
Lovely, lovely, Surya. Totally love this conversation with you. Absolutely lovely information you have passed on for my audience to relish. Thank you so much for speaking to my audience. We're catching you again tomorrow with another very, very relevant question for you to answer for us. Thank you so much.